So let's look if this is working or not. So it seems it works. Thank you for waiting. I was today very busy. I have no time, yeah. So I use the time that what I have for crypto. So thank you for watching. Let's start with the Bitcoin price and what's the last status. And let's look. I read the comments later. Let's start with the Bitcoin price. So we have this Bitcoin price here. And now the big question is, was this an outbreak? Yeah. So that what the Moon Boys uh, give us the information that this was an outbreak or not. Yeah. Let's look. Is this the outbreak? Will the price go to 30,000? Let's look more inside to understand the structure. Yes, we have here a triangle. Yeah, this is our triangle, but we only broke from the small triangle. Yeah, you can see, yes, we broke this, but this is a manipulation to the upside. Yeah, because the whales want that we should think, okay, outbreak happens, and okay, now we have to buy. No, this is not the case. Let's look here to the last section. Yeah, this is here. You can see the manipulation here. Let's look, before we look here more inside, let's look to 2018 that you understand the structure. Yeah, that we're not talking here blah blah. We're looking here what happens in the history. Let's look. I zoom in so that you understand what happens here. We make the same situation here. We make here our triangle. Let's look. Yeah. And say, okay, we break the structure here to the upside. You can see here also a manipulation to the upside, more sideways movement, retest again to the upside. We are also out of this triangle, yeah. And then you can see what happens here. Look, yeah, this downtrend is active, and we're coming back in this downtrend. And look what happens here. The price breaks here nearly 50% to the downside, yeah. And exactly this behavior we will see today. Yeah, I think in 13 or 14 days, until 14 days, because this structure here, that what you see here, tell us what is coming here. Yeah. So for me it's clear since July. Look, exactly at this behavior, June 2018. Look, 6 months or 5 months later, exactly we stay in October 26, 29. You can see how close we are here from breakdown to the downside. And that is what many moon boys not understand. Yeah, they talking about to buy here Bitcoin. Why? We staying here, yeah, exactly on this place, and they tell you you should buy Bitcoin. And this is that, yeah, information because they have no clue. Yeah, and I expect something like this. Yeah, let's look exactly. Look, 2018 June starts, and this is going until mid of November. Yeah, highly risk to invest. Yeah, for long-term trader, okay, they can invest because long-term they will win. We all know Bitcoin will go here to 300,000. No problem. Yeah, but if you are a smart trader and if you a smart man or woman, then you look, okay, what happens here? Make it sense to invest all my money here. Yeah, and let's look. This is the current situation. Yeah, this is not the only fact that I mentioned here. Let's look here to the last manipulation here. Yeah. So let's look to this. We have here our channel. So this channel has it here 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. You can see what happens here. This has Bitcoin has no energy. Let's look more inside. There is I. Here we have here inverse left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation. And if you look, let me look here. We have this uptrend. Okay, it makes sense that this is coming here to these places. Yeah, make this maybe a last uptrend to 21,000 and the manipulation to direction of 22,000. But then I think we have no energy. It makes sense if you look here the structure and say, okay, this manipulation starts from here. We make this, yeah, this is a inverse left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation. So it makes sense that we make this move, yeah. So, but in my eyes, we are finished. If you look to this, I expect only something like that. Yeah, again, a real manipulation to the upside. And the whales need these 14 days. Yeah, so I think here until mid of November, they will manipulate the price until here. Yeah, so they need this orange area to manipulate. So I think here's a little bit manipulation, and then the manipulation will end. Why we know this? Why this is possible to say this? Because if you look here to this general area or general view to this Bitcoin price, then you can see that we are still in a negative trend. That means we are below this area. If you look exactly this area, so we have a resistance from here. Yeah, this is a clear resistance. We have a resistance here, and we have, if the price goes to 25,000, we have then also a resistance. Yeah, so if you reach this, you can see we have a lot of resistance. So I don't think that we have the power to go here to 32,000 or something like that. Yeah, and the formation is from June in an uptrend. You saw this in 2018. Yeah, this is also going from June to mid of November, and then the price drops very hard. And we have also here negative signs. These signs are seen. Yeah, so I have no opportunity to predict here something like that. Yeah, it is not possible. Yeah. So if somebody predict here, he's totally wrong, because we have here signs, we have here signs, and every sign is negative. So it makes no sense to predict to you uptrend here. Yeah, so it's not fair. Yeah, so maybe if I yeah, if I a partner from the big whales, then I would say, okay, the price will go here to the upside. But no, I'm not the man like this. I would never predict here lies. So I see not see this, and um, the price will go here to the downside. This is a huge manipulation. The manipulation starts here exactly, yeah, and then they take the price here down. In real, we have to go here to the upside, but this is not happening here. Yeah, huge manipulation, and this manipulation will end really hard. I expect here 50% drop, yeah, and after the 50% drop, um, the price will go higher. One info, if you look to this RSI, we are here at 60 levels, yeah. So you can see what happens, 60, and then the price drops. You can see 70. So we are in a direction of sell, yeah. So it makes no sense if the price is going here like this to the upside to 80 is okay. Then we say, okay, a little bit uptrend. Let's say 22,000, 23,000 maximum, yeah, or 21. And then we are here at 80, 80, 90, and these are sell areas. Also here, look, sell, sell, and I expect also here sell. Yeah. And other information for you that you understand that we are in selling areas. So here you can see also this is a left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and they manipulate this here. This is manipulated to the downside. So the retest area from this is exactly this at the middle of them. So that you can see if we break this structure here, then we will see something like that. And this is negative. Yeah, you can see price coming here down below this uptrend. Yeah, and then we get here inverse left shoulder head, right shoulder formation. Yeah, and you can see negative. Yeah, so we're looking here to the chat and look what the subscribers need. So give me a little time to read this. So we're looking here to Dogecoin. Let's look so to Doge and find out what they manipulate. So yeah, you can see they manipulate the price from 0.006 to 15 cent. They need this. Yeah, let me look. We make here a retest of this area. This is all okay. Let me look to this. The next area is 33 cent. So since June, this is okay. Yeah, the price can go in this direction to finish this. Yeah, and then we get here a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. This is a positive, this is negative. So I expect that the price come down, yeah, like this. Yeah, and then is the right time to buy because yeah, we have to look here. Maybe we can go here to 0.003 or lower. Then we get this. Yeah, then we can go to the upside. Yeah, so I think we will see something like that. You can see also left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. Yeah, this is the mid of 2023. I think is the right time here. Yeah. So we're looking here to the next AMP. So, oh, very manipulated to the downside. You can risk here and say, okay, I wanna make here invest. You can see we have here a negative trend to the downside. Here's important, if the Bitcoin price breaks down, yeah, to the down areas, then I expect also here that the price is going here to the downside, but we have not so much energy to the downside. You can see 0.008 to 0.004. So long term, if you want a speculation here with this crypto, then it makes sense. Yeah, if you look here to the to this construct, then we can say we have here a good uptrend. So to 20 cent is possible. Yeah, that we say, okay, we're coming here down and we make a retest from here. Yeah, we have a good uptrend in this area. So I would say, okay, if you want make a risk, then okay. Um, but my recommendation is this not. So I think there are other cryptos, they have more potential. So we're looking here to the next. So let's look. So we make XRP. XCP. So XCP is one of the big manipulated cryptos. We can say the people who take the gem videos from my side, they have already here the end target. What I can say here is this is our resistance, this is our second resistance here. So, and general view, yeah, long term, I expect, I want to make this a little bit later. I expect something like that. Yeah, the price will fly like this. Yeah, so end target is not $6. If you are a member, then you have the end target here if you take the gem video. Let's look here more to the near term. Yeah, so let's look. Yes, you can see here the manipulation also. If you look to this construct, we saw in 2018, yeah, exactly here, May, June. The manipulation starts here, yeah, and now we finish. And exactly here, you can see the manipulation here. It starts exactly on this place, yeah, and you can see the uptrend is okay. Then they form this uptrend to a downtrend, and you can see clear. Um, we broke here the structure, yeah, so that we make here only retest. Let me look here. Oh, this is not good. So we can see here a last uptrend, yeah, not wondering if the price is going really hard to the upside, yeah. So 56 cent or 60 cent, not confused, yeah, because this is the last shakeout. If you see like this, yeah, you can see this structure, and I think we have a little bit place to the upside, yeah. If you look to this, also we broke here the structure. I'm not like this. Yeah, I'm not like this because this is the last manipulation area. So I would say 12 days, 13 days. Let me look. This 14. Yeah, they can manipulate this like that. Yeah, going here to the downside. Or another alternative is this is our uptrend. Yeah, price goes here to the downside and make this move and go here to the downside. Yeah, one of them is that. So at the moment it seems we're staying here at these levels, but if you look to the RSI, we have not so much energy. But the fact is, this is the last move. Yeah, we are nearly. Let me look. We are nearly finished 95%. Yeah, so the last shakeout is like this or this. Yeah. So we're looking here to the next. Next is link. So link, you can see this also in the RSI. Since June, a lot of manipulation. Oh, this is not good. This is really not good. If you look to this construct, look here. We have here an inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. You can see this is our resistance. This is our uptrend here. Look. Oh, this is not good. We broke this. Let me look. So we take not this. We take this. So we broke the structure here. We broke the structure here, and general we broke in big the structure here. So what are your expectations? Yeah, if you break this here, here, and here, and you can also see we broke the structure here. Yeah, so that what you see is only a manipulation to the upside. Even if we go here to $8.40, you can forget this. The structure is broke. Yeah, so I expect also here a really big dump. So I expect a link at $3. Yeah, $3, $2.50 here. Yeah. So after this wonderful, you can see we built here our left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. Price is going up. Yeah, so this you can make here a lot of money. Yeah, so financial advice. So members they know this. So we're looking here more uh, AXS. So this is one of the aggressive cryptos. So this is my recommendation. Also, I um, recommend this in my gem videos. Yeah, um, you can not imagine how far this will go here to the upside. This is the hot. This is one of the hot cryptos. Yeah, so we see here that the AXS tests his low levels. Yeah, that means the price tests his lows. We will get here a shake out to the downside. So you can see the current price is $9. I expect this at $4, and then the price of AXS will fly. So I think we will see something like that. And from this point, yeah, from this point, the price will explode. As you can see, um, I would say mid of 2023, 2024 manipulation, and then the price will take off. Yeah. So we're looking here to the next. So we're looking here to, I will look back to Bitcoin. Yeah. So I think we look first or second here to the altcoins, and then I will make a short intro to again to to Bitcoin price. So my recommendation is this not, yeah, because this has I would say only power to in direction of 40, 50 cent. Yeah, there are other cryptos. They have more possibilities. Yeah, so I think this is not my recommendation. You can see also here, this is too few. Yeah, these spikes are not good. Yeah, so if I look to our crypto chart and I see these spikes, I would not invest. But this is not financial advice. You can decide by yourself. Yes, we have a uptrend possibility, but not so much like other cryptos. So we're looking here to the next AMP. So this is a crypto that is really hot. So let me look. So we already looked to AMP, okay? Then we're looking here to this. We look to ruin. So one of also a good crypto, very hot. Um, this is really hot. Yeah, so you have to look to this here. Yeah, you can see we have a big triangle. We will break this. Yeah, and you can see we have until mid of 2023 time. Yeah, so I think we coming here back, we test here this level. Yeah, you can see here exactly left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. The price goes to these levels. Yeah, test here this area, and then the price will fly. And you can see, um, we, I think the whales will make here a manipulation to the downside, so that we could test the low levels again, yeah, and then the price will fly here to the upside. If you want exactly information, please request this in the Wolf Price Target or Wolf Exclusive Club, so that you get here the end targets. Yeah, if you also, I think I would say if you are investor of Ruin, then you have to make now you invest that you can sell here, yeah, buy here at these levels and then again sell. So you need this. So we going to the next. Let's make Queen T if you want. Queen T is our favorite crypto. Yeah, let's look. There are a lot of people who believe in Queen T. Yes, it is a good crypto. Yes, it is manipulated. Yeah, this is also clear. And yes, the price will drop to the downside. Let me look. So why we believe in that the price will drop here really hard to the downside is not difficult. It is very easy. If you look here, the answer is here. Yeah, the uptrend is broke. This is the last shakeout. That is the reason why the price is going here to the upside. And the whales, they manipulate the people and the moon boys. Yes, the price has here a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Yes, we have the power to go here to this levels. Yeah, maybe to this levels, but then I see now energy to the upside. Yeah, the reason is the structure is broke. That means maybe you have a little bit experience in trading. If you have here double top, yeah, danger, the price will go here to the downside like this. We will try again to make here a retest and finally go here to the downside. Um, the problem is also with the Bitcoin price. Maybe you understand if I draw here a uptrend. Yeah, I'm a crypto bull. The problem is at the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, if you look more inside, then you can recognize that the Bitcoin chart is from here manipulated. Yeah, that what you see here is all manipulated. Yeah, and the problem is if you're working with manipulated chart and you see this that the price is manipulated from here, yeah, then it makes no sense to predict here higher prices, yeah, because the price is here manipulated. Yeah, so let me look to Quinty back. Let's look. So I expect here a drop to the downside. And yes, we will see the low levels again. Yeah, let me look. So we going here to the next. So I read here the chat. So we make here H bar and then free cryptos. I think the connection is not so bad, not so good. Um, let's look here to Hedera. Again, the price will drop here to the downside. Yeah, and then we will see here wonderful rising of this Hedera. The price will go really hard to the upside. Only the people who have the membership in the World Price Target or the gem videos have the end targets here. This price will, or the Hedera price will fly because we have here a W pattern. The price will go really hard to the upside. But I'm honest to you, 60 cent or $1.20 is peanuts. The price will go higher and higher. Yeah. So this is one of the gems. Also in the gem video, yeah, if you take the gem video, you know exactly what is the end target. This year is not the end target. $1 is peanuts. Yeah. So we're looking here to Ethereum. So we have here the Ethereum price. So we have this. Um, if you're asking me if this is a good formation, then I would say yes. Yeah. But the problem is you can see also this chart is manipulated. You can see we have here last uptrend, yeah, but in real we will drop really hard. So I expect Ethereum at 400 levels like this or lower, and then the price will go like this to the upside, yeah. But people who have experience in trading, yeah, um, if they see something like that, yeah, so they see exactly that Ethereum will break here the 5,000 levels. Yeah. So 5,000 will not hold. Yeah. That means how can I describe you this exactly? This chart is so manipulated that we have to not make here retest again. Yeah. So maybe one. Yeah, I would say one or two is not so clear. I have to analyze this in detail. But the fact is, if the price of Ethereum break this level here, then the next level is 10,000. Yeah, so this area will go very quick. This is here coming very quick. So the people have maybe not so much time to react. Yeah, so if this 5,000 breaks, then we are 10,000. But 10,000 is not the end target. So I also made a gem video about Ethereum, and there you can find the end target. Yeah. So I would say 10,000 is not the end target. I would not say peanuts, but I give you an example that you understand why I so think. Look, that you understand what I think and what other people see. Yeah. So what price action you see here? $100, and the price. Look, do you had here time to buy? No. From $100 to $4,000. Yeah, you can see from 100 and the time frame you can see what was this from November to May. Yeah, you have maybe 4 or 5. Uh, you need the time to realize, okay, something big is coming. Yeah, many people not realize this. Yeah, the price is going to this level. They wait, okay, that the prices should go here to the downside, but it's not happening. Go here to the upside. Exactly, this will happen also here. um, the people will not realize that the price goes to higher levels. Yeah, will go here to the higher levels. Then we're staying at 6,000. They wait that the price drops now 10,000, and from 10,000 we will form here a good structure. Yeah, left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation again, and then the price will fly. But this year you can ask in my memberships, so it is exactly possible to predict here. So you can also take the gem video. So there you have also the end targets. So let's look here more. We're looking here to, let me look to this. Oh, very aggressive. This is very hot. Yeah, this is very, very good. Yeah, let's look here to the low levels. I expect here a 50% drop that we are landing at 0.004. Then you can see this formation is good. If you look more inside, then you can recognize we have here a resistance. Yeah, this resistance is here. And if we can break the resistance, it will happen because we have a wonderful formation. This is huge. Yeah, the price will go here to these levels and stay here. Yeah, we have this resistance here. We have, let me look. So we have this support from here. So the maximum possible drop is this. Yeah. I don't think that we have the possibility to come down. If this is coming down, okay, then we have this. But I think the the situation that the cryptos is so wonderful that we will form a formation like this. The next target is this because the next resistance is this. So, and if we form this formation, this is like the Ethereum chart, yeah, because our next level to test is not this. Our next point is this, yeah. Yeah, so you can see in the free channel live, you see the, how can I say, the information that you get for free from 008, yeah, 001, 25 higher, but this is not the end target. The end target is, if you look at the formation, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation, much, much higher. So I would say this is peanuts. Again, I explain you this again. Look, the price was here, 001, and the price is going to 00 or 10 cent. Yeah, much, much higher. So you have to think the same. We are exactly in low level areas. This is this, and if we break this, the next target is much higher. I would say more. I will not make here a prediction because this is too, how can I say, we need a little bit time, but in my eyes, more than 40, 50 cent. Yeah, if you want more information, please use the membership. We're looking here to T-Fuel. Is only also uh, to this. Oh, yeah, wow, very good. Also a hot, one of the hot cryptos. My members have only hot cryptos, yeah. The reason is, look, resistant here. We have a downtrend here. So you can see we form here our breakout. Yeah, that means, yes, it seems it is positive, but I expect here drop. And then finally we will go out of this negative channel. Yeah, and then you can see we have a wonderful formation. The price will go up, make here his moves. Yeah, the only place where the whales can manipulate is 2024. Why? Because they don't want that you make money, so that they can take the price here a little bit to the downside. Yeah. So in this level, so that you get here fear, but in real, the price will break out and will go here to the upside. Yeah, we will make this move. Again, let me look. Again, we have here resistance and then exactly the same behavior what we saw in the Ethereum price. But here is crazy. People ask for this T-Fuel in the membership so that I can give you the end target. This is here crazy what will happen. The price will go really hard to the upside. So it is crazy. Yeah, so I give you an example. Look, the price was here 0.001 cent and the price goes to 80 cent, 80x. Yeah, we're talking about 80x. So do you really believe that we're going only to 60 cent? Is this your expectations? No, we will go from this point, yeah, really hard. I can draw maybe the next step for you. Yeah, the next step is in direction of $2, but exactly the $2 is not the end target. Yeah, this is only, I'm talking here. If I talking from $2 is peanuts. Yeah. So think about this. Request this in the membership. Vault price target so that you get here the end target. So we make. Thank you for SC. So I want make here two more and then I would finish. We already made XP. Let's make list. So let me. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful structure. This is or this was my favorite. Is still my favorite because this is a wonderful formation. Yeah. So people not realize and not understand this. That means, look, we have here a big hammer. Let me look. So we have this big hammer, and this big hammer is pure aggressive. That means if we going here to the upside, then we are very quick at these levels here. That means this is here peanuts for Lisk. That means also if we break here the $10 levels, then the next step, the next point which we will go is $20. And at $20 we have here our neckline. So if we go or break the neckline, then we are very quick at $50. But $50 is not the end target, the price will fly. So this is crazy. The reason why we or why I think so or why this is so because we have here a wonderful structure. Look, we are exactly we are exactly at this place. Yeah, we are exactly on this place. Look, do you see something? We have here also our hammer in small. Yeah, small hammer. What happens here? Crazy. Yeah, and what we have here? We have big hammer. Yeah, you see, big hammer, small hammer, pump, big hammer. What happens? Now you understand me? This will go crazy, really crazy. The $50 is not the end target. Yeah. So we're looking here two more, and then I would finish. So too many requests. Please request this in the membership so that I can look this exactly. So one subscriber say, yeah, the Ethereum will go to zero. No, Ethereum will go really hard to the upside. This is not the fact that I say. I can see this on the chart. So we're looking here to, let's look. We make here scale. So also a wonderful chart. The price will fly. Also here, we will see a formation like this, and if we can break the $1.50, this will fly. Yeah, so $1.50 is not the end target. We will see here much higher prices. Now we're looking here to Autor. So also here, a wonderful structure. Our resistance is here, our uptrend is here. So if you are a long-term holder, then you will win. Yeah, so I would say again until 2025 we need here our structure left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. We need here our break our resistance. We have a good positive formation. So prices in direction of $6,000, $7,000 is possible. In the bull market, you will see higher prices. So the last crypto, what I take here, let's look. What is this? Let's make this. So also a hot crypto, again, place to go here to the downside. 50% drop is, let me look, $2 areas. Then we will make this, yeah, form this, and then finally go here to the upside. Was not on my focus, this Dero. I will take this in my gem videos because this has really energy to go here to the upside, really hard. This is one of the gems. This is possible that we see here higher prices. So I would say we finish and keep your request for the membership so that you request there so that we can look here more in detail what happens. Yeah, so I think it makes sense. Yeah, because you get not in every channel the true. So I think if you want hard facts, stay on the channel, share the videos, and yeah, talk about the people so that they can or visit the channel that so that the channel can grow. Yeah. So I would say I'm finished. Have a good day. Yeah. See you later. In my channel, I will update some videos so that we see us later. Yeah. Have a nice day. See you later.